Happy Hump Day, Middle Georgia. Hope you had a safe drive in your car or maybe your boat for some of our counties. Rather wet morning here in Middle Georgia. But take a look at Macon right now. You still see some of those clouds lingering on from the showers we had earlier, but providing us with some cool temperatures. 77 degrees feels exactly like that. It's 78 pretty much. Here are those storms I was talking about that rolled through earlier. They started over here in Taylor and Crawford and Upson counties, and they moved all the way through up into our northeast counties now, moving over into South Carolina. But those storms should be moving out of the area and now providing us with some nice cloud cover this morning. And you can see those clouds are keeping us cool. 77 looks to be the popular point, maybe 78 too for some counties, but feeling rather nice this morning. 78 Gordon, 77 Macon, 77 Warner Robins. Now let's take a look at our surface map. There's a couple things we want to mention right here. Right here is the cold front, and that is over in northwest Alabama right now, but is going to be pushing some storms into our area later today. And also to note, you can see some of this Gulf stuff over here, that tropical system that we mentioned earlier. No tropical threat anymore, but that will still be bringing some moisture into our area later on, more likely tomorrow. Now let's take a look at how that plays out on future view. See those storms from this morning. Still some of them could be lingering around, a pop-up shower or two. Now there's that cold front. Watch as it moves in around 5 p.m. tonight. It will completely dissipate. So it may not bring us quite strong storms, but still it is more than likely going to push in some more organized stuff, which we'll need to be on the lookout for later today. Now moving on into Thursday morning, still some cloud cover like we've had every morning. And here's all that tropical moisture coming up, providing us with some summertime storms right there. And that looks like it could get a little bit stormy tomorrow, so that's something we'll keep an eye on. But moving on into Friday, the same story, different day, cloud cover in the morning, and then maybe even clearing up for a peak of sunshine or two on Friday afternoon, so that might be a pleasant surprise. Now take a look at our long range. Looking like a very nice weekend might play out. You see not much agreement on rain in central Georgia on Saturday and Sunday, but you see the Euro is putting us in the light blue and the dark blue for Monday, even on into Tuesday, so we will keep you updated on that. Now, as mentioned, those organized storms moving in today will probably provide us with some more severe storms on the more severe end, rather, and you could see some small hail, lots of lightning, maybe a strong wind gust or two, like we have been seeing some typical summertime severe weather. So most of Middle Georgia is at a level 1 severe risk today. But those clouds will be providing us with some shade and some cooler temperatures. Once again, you can see we top out at 91 right here for our heat index temperatures, and that's going to feel very good, staying constant in the 80s though for our feels like. Now take a look at today. Forecasted high of 86, greater chance of rain today due to that front coming in, and then tonight cooling off to 71 degrees. Could be foggy if you see some rain later in the evening. Now take a look at our 7-day. Good chance of rain the next 2 days before dying down into the weekend, making for a nice cooler July weekend with highs in the upper 80s before going back on up next week.